Hello guys, my name is Nikhil Verma, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon too. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can unlock extreme FPS along with Ultra HD sound pack in PUBG Mobile. For this, root is required, and let me first show you on which setting I am playing PUBG Mobile right now. Settings, now graphics. So guys, see, I am playing right now on smooth and high frame rates. So how to get extreme FPS? So follow the step. So guys, to unlock the extreme FPS and sound in your PUBG Mobile, you have to download and install the build prop editor from the Play Store. I will share the downloading link in the description box. So after opening the app, you have to grant the root permission, and then you have to make the backup of your default build prop. So guys, I have made the backup. Now step number 2, you have to search for ro.product.model. So now guys, you have to change your default name to GM1917, which is the model number of OnePlus 7 Pro. After that, you have to search for ro.product.system.model and do the same. So guys, after that you have to reboot your device. So after reboot, open the build prop editor and make sure the device name changes to GM1917. So here you can see the device name and model has changed. So now what you have to do, you have to open your PUBG Mobile and check the graphic settings. So guys, you can see I have unlocked the extreme FPS along with ultrasound pack, and before recording this video I was trying this method and download the ultra sound pack. So don't ask me in the comments that how did you download the ultra pack in the video. And guys, if you get any kind of problem, make sure you contact me on Telegram as I'm always active there, and do read the description box. I always share the valuable points there and detailed steps, and hope you like my work. Make sure you hit that like button. So guys, stay tuned for more updates. See you guys in the next one.